Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee jelly. First, gather your ingredients: strong brewed coffee, unflavored gelatin, and sugar. You'll need about 2 cups of coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure your coffee is freshly brewed and hot, as this will help with dissolving the gelatin later. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, in a small bowl, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin over 1/4 cup of hot coffee. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom, then stir until completely dissolved. Now, combine this gelatin mixture with the remaining coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Pour the liquid into your chosen dish or molds. Now cover your dish or molds and refrigerate the coffee mixture for at least 3 hours, or until it is completely firm. Once the jelly has set, carefully cut it into small, bite-sized cubes. You can use a knife or even small cookie cutters for fun shapes. This firm texture is key to a great coffee jelly experience. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade coffee jelly. Serve it chilled with a drizzle of sweetened condensed milk, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delightful dessert. This recipe typically yields about 4 servings. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.